I'm going to show you exactly how to use Canva's image blender tool even if you've never tried advanced photo editing apps inside Canva before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your photo, blend it using linear masking, and create a clean, seamless effect in just a few clicks. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and look at the left-hand panel. Click Create and choose any canvas size that matches the type of project you're working on. Once your blank canvas loads, move to Uploads and upload the photo you want to modify. Drag the image onto your canvas, then resize or align it until it fits your layout perfectly. Now here's where the magic of this tool comes in. Go back to the left panel and click Apps. In the search bar, type Image Blender. Select the app, and once you're inside, choose Linear. You'll see tiny adjustable nodes appear. Place these nodes exactly where you want your blend to start and end. When you're satisfied with the transition, click Save and watch your photo blend smoothly into your background or layout. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to upload a photo, apply a linear blend, and create a seamless look using Canva's Image Blender app. Keep experimenting, keep practicing, and don't forget to join our free 20-minute masterclass for more Canva hacks, advanced effects, and easy-to-follow guides that will level up your designs. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.